How to reset Instagram Explore page. Let's begin with the video. Initially open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next tap on the three horizontal lines icon at the top right to open the menu. After that scroll to what you see section. Now click on content preferences. Likewise choose the interested option and click on select at the top right. Then hit remove at the bottom to clear the selected interest. Next do the same for the not interested section. After that go back and choose specific words and phrases. Furthermore tap on the word and hit the bin icon to remove it. And hit done at the top right corner to apply the changes. Finally, this action will reset your Instagram Explore page, and just like that you now know how to reset Instagram Explore page.